Ambition for unification. Following Nobunaga's death, Hideyoshi took the name Toyotomi and began his quest for the unification of Japan. He experienced numerous battles, with the Battle of Dan-no-ura becoming a symbol of national unification. Here, he defeated opposing forces, taking a significant step towards Japan's unity, cultural promotion, and political acumen. After unification, Hideyoshi focused on political stability and promoted culture. He granted land to daimyos and military commanders, strengthening local governance and ensuring social stability. Additionally, he encouraged cultural activities like tea ceremony and architecture, contributing to the development of Japanese culture. Succession issues and late years. In his later years, Hideyoshi faced issues of succession. Despite his desire for the Toyotomi lineage to continue, he couldn't decide on a successor, leading to subsequent turmoil. After his death, the Toyotomi regime collapsed, paving the way for the Tokugawa shogunate under Tokugawa Ieyasu. Hideyoshi's life left a deep imprint on Japan's history during the transition from the Warring States period to the stable Edo period. His anecdotes and achievements are still remembered and recounted by many.